quality of work ang hanap natin ay mapaglilibangan to let out some steam. Kung ikaw ay competitive pero you still want to have some fun, dito sa Makati may isang spot located sa rooftop where you can chill and let loose while displaying your athletic moves. Ako si Sheila Salaysay and let's get ready to have an unmatched fun and exciting games dito sa Sports Trip.
Private events, meron tayong mga fireworks viewing tuwing New Year. So marami tayong mga different mga pakulo. Every week, iba-iba naman yan. Meron naman, most are very surprised mo. It's very unique. Parang first time na pwede ko uminom, tapos may plates ka na tinatapon. So medyo dangerous, pero at the same time, kakaiba. So medyo mas unique siya, na-enjoy siya ng mga tao. It's 1 year and a half already. So this year, palano namin, paltan lahat ng games.
Okay.
All brand new yan by this year. It's gonna be new games talaga. Meron tayong a bit more digital. Ano, may mga punching bag, na may mga meter, yung mga hammer. So magiging mas festive this year. Mas maliwanag pa sa ngayon. I think kami lang yung, kumbaga, Fun Roof is the only place na you can do activities while you're drinking or you're partying. Meron ding mga iba, pero they're more focused on that. Sa amin parang mas party pa rin siya eh. Kumbaga, all the games here are party games pa rin.
Sa isang exciting at fun na lugar katulad nito, hindi pwedeng hindi ko bitbitin sina JB, Keith, Mike, Matt, dalawang Justine at si Cara. Excited na nga kami to experience something new. Pagdating pa lang namin, iba na ang vibe. Kaya naman, let's start to have some fun. With the different activities na meron dito, you cannot be bored. Every game, may goal, and if nakuha mo, you get the special prize. Inuna namin ang batting cage, patterned after baseball. For first-timers, no worries dahil may briefing at tinuturo ang tamang posisyon at kung nasaan ang target. Let the games begin! After 8 balls each, we didn't hit a home run, pero we are just starting. Next game, ang fun catcher. At dito masusukat ang reflexes mo. Dito na nga nag-init ang kompetisyon. Si Justine ang sunod na humamon. Ito ang si JB, ang palaban sa kahit anong activity. Samantalang si Keith, unang bagsak pa lang, suko na! #tantrums. Itong si Justine na isa, syempre mukhang hindi papatalo. At siya nga ang winner sa game na ito. Punta na kami sa Crazy Golf. Dito, may 5 holes na may different levels of difficulty. May waiver na kailangang i-fill out at maximum of 3 players at a time. First batch muna, ako, Mike, and JB. A player has 3 attempts for every hole. The neon lights theme creates a vibrant and fun atmosphere. Kaya naman enjoy kami dahil most of us have not experienced playing golf. Second batch naman, sina Keith, Justine, at Matt. Sa umpisa, medyo mangangapapa sa hawak ng club at sa swing. Si Justine naka-hole-in-one in his first try. Etong si Matt, kahit nagkakamali, enjoy pa din. Kahit papano naman ay naka-hole-in-one sa amin. Next, ang pickleton, pinaghalong pickleball at badminton. At ang challenging dito, ang gaan ng bola, pero kinaya naman. We are not done trying different games. The live music at ang tawanan keeps our energy up. Kami lang ni Justine ang humamon sa Beat the Bar. The record to beat is 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pero kami ni Justine, siya lang malakas. Kung trip nyo ay mga hindi masyadong physical games, they have mad lanes where you can try curling, feather bowling, and shuffle. Ang maganda dito, Fun Roof offers a selection of light bites and snacks. Ito talaga ang inaabangan namin after playing all the games. We have tried halos lahat ng specialty nila. From burger, pizza, hot dog, chicken wings, fries, at ang kanilang mga masasarap na drinks. It was a different and enjoyable experience, lalo na kung kaparehas mo ng trip ang mga kasama mo. Kaya naman don't miss the chance to show your sporty side while having a good time. Play and compete dito sa Biggest Adult Playground and make every game count. So ano, next week ulit? Sama na dahil dito sa Sports Trip, ano man o saan man, Gina G tayo.